If you're struggling to become profitable and make money from trading, keep watching this video. So the thing that you're missing on is basically learn fundamentals and how the economy works and how affect the FX market, company, or even a commodity. You will be able to know the overall bias and also the economy in general, and it will help you have more confidence in your trades and also in your risk management, because it will be able you to risk more or less depending on the situation and depending on the context. Because I recently saw a study of a big broker that have a lot of retail traders that made a study about how many of them use fundamentals. Their final results were that only 20% or less use a little bit of fundamentals or use fundamentals in general, and mostly 80% or plus don't even use fundamentals. What opened my eyes, because I thought if 80% of the people don't use fundamentals and 80% of the people lose money, you'd probably have a correlation there. Give me a like if you learn anything related with trading. And also my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know it sounds crazy, but I think I'm going to complete that all together.